Hi everyone. Today we are going to complete the primary math activity for April 30th together. And when you look at your learning packet, your page is going to look like this. It's listed in the outline as Math page 6 for April 30th. It's actually the very last page in your packet. Okay, you have 2 problems to complete. And I'm also going to be using the number line from Toy Theater to help us along in some of our addition as just another tool to help support putting numbers together to get the sum or the total. Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so it's easier for us to see. And we'll get started. Okay, at the beginning of our problem, remember we're doing horizontal addition. So we have an operational sign between our 2 numbers, and then we have an equal sign before our total, which is blank. That's what we need to come up with. It says,
Paige puts away 10 shirts.
10 shirts is what she puts away. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this quantity is 10, and this is the number that represents the quantity 10. This is the number 10. So we're going to click on the number that matches. Do you see the number 10? Great work. Comes right after 9. 10.
10.
Great. And you can trace the number 10 on your paper. It's 1, 10 in the tens column and 0 ones because it's just 10. Now here's our operational sign. What are we going to do in this problem? Plus. We're going to join together. We're going to do addition. 10 plus how many? It says
Drew puts away 6 shirts.
Drew puts away 6 shirts. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that is why we have the number 6 here. This number 6 represents the quantity 6 shirts. I am going to match the number 6. Do you see it? Find number 6. Very good.
6.
Now, it says equals. We need to come up with our total. There's a lot of ways that we could use our tools to help us add. We can count all of the shirts together. We could say the 10 and count on 6. Or we can use one way is a number line. So let's begin with that. Okay, so we're going to start with 10 and move it up into our number line. And this number line is on toytheater.com, and go to the teacher tools and find number line. And then the second part, we started with 10 shirts and then we added 6 more. And remember, we can't see where we're going to because we ran out of space. So you're going to go to the scroll bar, left click, and move it over so you can see what number we have reached on the number line. We go to the end and we see that we are at number, what? What number is this? That's correct. Let's go over here. Let's count them all together. And I'll bring it up here so you can find it, okay? You might have already seen it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The number is 16. Great job.
16.
1, 10, and 6 ones. Wonderful. That's a really big number. Okay, let's find the next math problem. Let's see. I think it might be this one. Nope, that's what we just did. Let's try again. This one. Aha! Towels. I believe that's what we're doing here. Yes, that's correct. So it says
Page folds 14 towels.
Page folds 14 towels. So that is our number here. 14 comes here, and it represents this quantity of towels, this number of towels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Can you find the number 14? Where do you see it? We know there's 1 10, so we're going to go to the 10, and then we're going to count on 11, 12, 13, 14.
14.
And if you are able, you can trace the number 14. Now, this part of the problem says that Drew folds.
Drew folds 1 towel.
1. Just 1. So this number 1 represents this 1 towel. Can you find the number 1? Great work. We've matched it.
1.
We matched 1. Excellent. So we have a plus.
Plus.
14 plus 1.
Equals.
How many? How many all together? Let's look at our number line. So this becomes a little tricky because 10 is our biggest number and we need a 14. So we're going to have to make 14 to begin with. So we need a 10 and a 4. 1 10 and 4 ones is 14, right? So that represents the first number. That represents the first number, 14 towels. And then Drew folded 1 more. So we're going to add to our number line 1. And what number did we arrive on? We got 2. What number? Great work. Let's come over here. Let's bring up our numbers in case you already see it. We'll give you a model and let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great. Do you see the 15? 1, 10, and 5 ones. We need 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There it is.
15.
Excellent work. You guys are great mathematicians. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week for math.